Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some yummy mutton burgers and these are the ingredients. Okay, so first we're gonna put some oil in our frying pan. Once the heat is nice, we're gonna put in our patties. We're gonna let it fry and get all the flavor in there. Then we're gonna add some onions. Then we're gonna add some cheese. We're gonna place the other patty over the cheese, so we're gonna have a double patty mutton burger. We're gonna slice our bun. Once we're done slicing our bun, we're going to toast it. So we're gonna put some butter in our frying pan. Once it's nice and hot, we're gonna put our bun in the butter. Turn it around. It's nice and crispy. Now we're putting our toppings of lettuce, fried onion, a tomato, raw onion, and our delicious cheese double patty. Then we're adding on some tomato sauce. And then we close our bun up. And this is our completed simple mutton burger. It's really delicious and it looks amazing.